We'll guide you through how to use Excalidraw with Claude. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Claude AI in your web browser and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you reach the main interface, move your mouse cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings to open your account configuration page. Inside the Settings area, locate and click the option labeled Connectors. After the Connectors page loads, click the Customize link to access additional connector settings. In the Connectors section, click the plus button to add a new integration. A new window or panel will appear displaying available connectors. Select Browse Connectors to view the full catalog. At the top of the catalog, locate the search bar and type Excalidraw. Wait for the search results to load, then find the Excalidraw connector in the list. Once you locate it, click the plus button next to the connector to add it to your Claude workspace. Wait a few moments while the setup process completes and the connector is successfully installed. When the installation is finished, return to the main chat screen. In the message box, enter a prompt such as, create a simple Excalidraw diagram, and then send the prompt. Claude may request permission to use the Excalidraw connector before continuing. If this permission request appears, click Always Allow or simply press Enter to approve the action. Claude will then begin generating the requested diagram. Wait for the generation process to finish completely. Once the result appears in the conversation, move your mouse over the generated output and look for the option labeled Open in Excalidraw. Click this option to continue. If another confirmation prompt appears, click Open in Excalidraw again. Depending on your browser settings, you may also see a browser confirmation window asking whether you want to open the external link. If prompted, click Open Link and wait for Excalidraw to launch. When Excalidraw opens, you may be asked how you would like to load the imported content. If your current canvas is empty, select Replace Content to import the generated diagram directly. Finally, verify that the diagram appears correctly on the canvas. Once it is loaded, you can freely edit, customize, expand, and refine the diagram directly within Excalidraw to match your specific needs and workflow.